Welcome back, you guys. Today I'm making lamb chops. Very first time me making lamb chops, so I'm going to see what I can do with it. But I have watched some videos on YouTube, so hopefully it will turn out okay. Yeah. But I got the lamb chop already room temperature. That's what somebody has said. Okay, you guys. Comment down below, you guys, on your favorite way how you make your lamb chops. Help a sister out. Because this ain't going to be the last time. No, baby. Okay, these are lamb chops I had purchased from Costco's. It was $19.89. Okay. But you have to let the skillet get nice and hot. Add a little bit of oil in there and let it sizzle. And then add the lamb chops. I'm hungry. I just hope I don't mess it up. But I know I'm going to walk by faith and not by sight. Today, we're going to eat good today. Today we are. Okay, I'm using this skillet. Hopefully, it will make it cook all the lamb chops. I'm going to save a few just in case this batch don't work. And these are Australian lamb chops. The thick cut kind. Go. One. Now, I was told that lamb chops don't take that long to cook on one side. Usually 2 to 3 minutes. But since these are European lamb chops, they're gonna have to cook longer on one side. So I say for 5 minutes. 4 or 5 minutes. I like mine well done. Now, I had changed my mind. I said I wasn't going to cook all of them, but I'm going to cook all of them. I'm going to walk by faith and not by sight. So, yeah, this is what my skillet is looking like. This is what they looking like. Nice and sizzling. Now, I know some people like their meat medium well, rare, but I like mine well done. But I can honestly say I did forget a step. I forgot to season it. I guess I'm so anxious and I never made them. I want them to be perfectly good. But since I forget to season it, I'm just going to sprinkle a little, I don't cook with salt no more. I'm trying to stay away from salt. Because, you know, sister's blood pressure been a little bit elevated here lately. So, this is going to do. And I can't forget about this. I'm going to let it cook for like 3 more minutes on that side. And I'm going to flip them over. Lamb chops, I was told it don't take long for it to cook. But you guys, like I said previously in the video, I never cooked this before. So hopefully, it's going to turn out. I know. Hey, whatever. If it won't turn out, no. It's going to turn out good. This is what it's looking like. Some baked potatoes. A side salad with a little bit of something. Yeah, I'm just so excited. And I'm hungry. I know my baby's hungry too. But we gonna make it do what it do. Rosie, why are you there? She always trying to lay where I's gonna have a hard time getting up and getting through. Okay. Oh. Okay, this is what it looks like once I turned it over. I noticed that the lamb chops on this side is cooking. It's not cooking as fast as this side. It could be just how I had the pot on the burner. But these are looking good. I'm gonna have to flip these over and get them like a little bit more browning. Yeah. But I like what I see. Comment down below, you guys, if you like lamb chops. And if you do, how do you prefer to cook your lamb chops? Comment down below, because, you know, I'm trying to learn all I can. I'm not the best cook, but the cook that I do cook, the cook is all good. It's all good to my belly. My belly is all good to my belly. Woo! Good to my belly. I'm here so happy because it's smelling so dang good. Delicious. There's some butter. And I'm going to saute some garlic in there. Okay, what I did, I took the lamb chops off. I took them off and I'm starting over because the garlic that I added was kind of burning. I don't want that burnt taste on my lamb chops. So I'm starting over. This is what my lamb chops looking like, you guys. I got to cook it some more because I still see some blood on it. You know, so these are my potatoes. My potatoes are done, but my lamb chops, I need to cook them a little bit longer. I want them tender. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's looking well done to me, so I'm going to go ahead and take them out. This is what it's looking like, you guys. Baked potato with lamb chops and a side salad. Okay, you guys. This is what my plate's looking like. My very first time cooking lamb chops and eating them. That piece right there is real tender. Just like I like it. Well done. Okay. I like spicy, somewhat spicy foods. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this onto my lamb chop. And this is jalapeno powder kind, and this is crushed red peppers. Just a tad bit. I like to set it off. Set my plate off. This is made with no salt. And the peppers, it sets it off with a jalapeno. Mm, 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 mm. See, I was raised up that you have to put a lot of salt and season side on your food. That's how I watch people, my family and friends of the family, how they cook their foods. You don't really need to cook all that. You just need herbs, you guys. And all that good other stuff. Mm. Okay. Mm. I give it a 10.